This is grilled wild caught fresh mackerel, guys, cooked with ackee. Okay? If you never see this one, go and watch the video, guys, and you will see how it's done. Step by step. Okay? Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. One Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay, guys, let's go. Remember these beautiful wild caught mackerel that we season up. See them well soaked, guys. Guys, I'm gonna cook them with something special today. From scratch, I'm gonna show you how we do this one, guys. This one is something different. I never seen this one before, and I wanted to try this one. So over here, I have my ackee. You know how my top class brand in the can. And my avocado oil. I have bell pepper. I have onion. I have tomato. I have scallion. I have thyme. I have garlic, and I have 3 small carrots, guys. So here we are going with this alone. We have the oven already on and it's preheating. So what we are going to do is get this bad boy ready. So what we are going to do with him, we'll cut up with carrots, guys. I'll lay the pan, get this bad boy ready to put in the oven, okay? So just stay tuned. Watch what I go on my peeps and soon come right back to you and cut up them carrots, yeah? And line out the pan and show you what we're going to do with those bad boy. Meanwhile the oven warming up, okay? Stay tuned. One Str8yaad TV, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. Be a part of the family. One Str8yaad TV. Enough love, enough respect. Okay, my people. So what we are going to do with them beautiful wild caught mackerel here, I will stick them in the oven, you know, my people. But we are going to line them out and set them up on this nice piece of file pan here. And this is like, this is original pan, you know, this is real metal. Okay, this is not no shaving pan. This is not no metallic pan, okay? This is something that can take heat. Alright, the pips. See it there? That is what we're talking about. I'm gonna put all my ingredients also on it. Nothing is wasted. Everything is going on. This is well marinated, my people. Well marinated. So we are going with you. Okay, so this is what we're talking about right now. See them ready to go, you know, my people. Ready to go, okay? And you know, mackerel is something that have a lot of oil. It have a lot of oil in it, guys. Okay? Especially these real wild caught mackerel have a lot of omega-3 oil in it, okay? So, we're going to stick him in the oven right now. But before we stick in the oven, I'm going to draw a little bit of file paper over it for just a little bit, my peeps. Okay? Because we want him to cook first before we... Just stay tuned and watch what I want. Because, like I said, I'm going to match up with this big bad boy over here. So stay tuned. Okay? So what are we going to do now is just drizzling with a little bit of my avocado oil. Just a little bit. You don't need no oil because this thing have a lot, these mackerel have a lot of oil in the skin, guys. Okay? That's it. No oil more. Just a little drizzle. Like I say. Okay, my peeps. So right now, we are going to cover it up a little bit and stick it in the oven and show you what going with these bad boys before we get ready to deal with the ackee with them, guys, because they're going to deal with the ackee now. Okay? Alright, here we oven jump on pan. Well heater now, you know how we go. when the oven get ready. Like we just hearing change up and now, so you know what I'm going. Alright. So like I say, my peeps. Draw one little piece of file paper over it on paper. I'll show it my oven for a little bit. And then we have to take off the paper. Because basically we have, when we're done with this, you know, my people, it come in like a fry, me have to fry it in the oven. So you have to stay tuned and watch and style here. As I say, I hit never cook up with me Ackee. Okay. Alright. Okay, my beautiful people, we are going to the oven. Make him stay in there for a little bit. We're going to show you as we go on and make you see what we are doing in every step so you get it, okay? Now stay tuned and watch what we are going. This one is going to be so nice, guys. So let's close up the oven and make the oven do the work. Str8yaad TV up and running, guys. Okay, my peeps, so let's check out what's going on in the oven here, my people. With this beautiful wild caught, so I'm going to take off the cover now. Yeah, you saw me I talk about? Yes, my people, so we'll take off the cover here now. And we're going to put the oven on broil. And make it get some color like it a fry. Okay, my people? And then you'll see what we are going to do with it, okay? So stay tuned and watch what one looking nice. Remember, you know, my people, I go touch them with the Ackee. We'll cut up them seasoning and get them seasoning ready now, my people, because we're almost there. Like I will take off the cover now. So we're going to get ready with the Ackee now. And the good grill mackerel. So stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful people, let's check out what's going on now. See me? Yes, man. This is what we're talking about. This is definitely how I need it, my people. This is what we're talking about. Now we can turn off the oven. Yes! This is it, guys. Look at this. Real roasted wild caught mackerel, guys. Going to cook up with some Ackee now. So if you stay tuned and watch what's going on, people, I want to go nice. Okay? So we'll go ahead and now cut up the season, get the things ready. And come right back to you guys. So stay tuned. So I'll cut them up now. And line up to get going. So stay tuned and really subscribe to the channel, guys. And like up the video, share up the video. Str8yaad TV up and running. Okay, my people. So right now, see the fish them here? Them are already done. Alright, so the pot the pan fire here now. We're going to line up the fish them here now, my people. And line up Ackee here now and show you what we are dealing with. So right now, we're going to add some of our nice avocado oil here, my peeps. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get it dry. Okay, my people. Right about now we are going. We have the oil in the pot hot. I'm going with the tomato, my people. All of our nice, beautiful tomato. Cut up the tomato and get them in a nice pot. What we are talking about. Right now we are going with the bell peppers also. Some nice beautiful bell peppers there. Get them in a pot. Now we are going with the fresh thyme. So right now my peeps, you know how we go about it already. Get the oil going together. I mean I'll cut the Ackee right away. Get it little scald off and thing in some hot water. You know we'll go about the Ackee can already. So right away guys, use cutter, don't follow me and use the knife, okay? But I'm moving fast. So I'm taking up the can now. Take out the Ackee. Now go with a strain off the water, my people. All of the water must go. And then we have to rinse them off with some fresh water. Some fresh boiling water. See them, my peeps? Looking nice. That we are going to work with today. Alright, so we are going with some nice boiling water and all my peeps well hot. This steam? Yeah. That we are going to use and scald it off the people like, you know? Have it ready. I know how it goes when we are moving up. I move quick. Fast find out one of my people. Alright, see? Yeah. This is what we're talking about. So we're not gonna let that water sit too long, my peeps, because they're already boiling hot water, so we're gonna go ahead and stir off that water back immediately. We're just rinsing off the ackee in some hot boiling water, that's all. You know it's canned ackee, guys. Okay. See, nice and pretty and ready to go. So we're cover up that and let it sit one side meanwhile and season that one. You know we have to move like it in fast and sit the people. Cook we are cooking and we're not around. So we cook and get things done in the meantime. Meanwhile something else is going, we'll get something else ready. You know where it go? Yeah. Yeah, nice. Tomato and bell peppers on the time. Yeah, the pieces. Right now, we have to add the onion. That we are talking about. We add the onions now. So we are talking about. Two nice lovely stock of scallion and we are going with them right away. And guys, remember we still have to use the cutting board, safety first, no accident in the kitchen, please and thanks. You know me know to use knife, we've been using knife since a little age, okay? Just close the eye and use knife. Stay tuned, watch you have one. When that was nice people. See nice and beautiful? Yeah. I get the season cook up evenly now, evenly, properly cook up. No half cook season, guys. The worst thing to eat ackee with half cook season. All your season must cook properly. Very soft and nice, okay? Right now we are going with the garlic last, people, because the garlic easy to burn. They always put him in last. Keep him on top until you're ready to stir him. You know, like that. Yeah. You don't want to use a lot of garlic in on pizza. Pour a nice bag of garlic in our food right now. Yeah, we're not store that. Make it go and stay until we're ready to store it. Now we're not ready for the garlic burn it, you know. I'll let the season go and cook some more. The flavor really same way on people. So stay tuned and watch what I've done. Right now we are going to deal with the fish now too. We'll get the fish ready. Alright, the beautiful people, so see the mackerel here. Nice grilled mackerel, guys, in the oven. Wild caught, you know, my people, and where you go. So I'm going to take out some, get him together. And we are going to put him in the pot. You know how we go already around here. We're going to leave them to eat differently. So, what we are going to do with this, my people, we're going to go ahead and take out the bone them, just like when you cook mackerel, okay? We'll go ahead and take out the major bone them out of it, like that. It's almost like when you pick up a mackerel, my people. But this mackerel, don't cook, it's grill, okay? This is a grilled mackerel, my people. Wild caught grilled mackerel. So I'm trying to take out all the bones in the meantime. Get him ready. See? That way I talk about. And if you notice how I cut, the reason why I cut up the mackerel like this, when I cut him up like this, my peeps, easy to pick up. No bone. See? Very nice wild caught mackerel, my people. Nice. See? Take out them bone here. Keep them one side. Pick up the mackerel just the same way, like when you cook it, okay? So that way I go on where I know to cut the bone them out of it. Get him ready for eat, me people. So stay tuned and watch one other one at Str8yaad Jamaican style, me people. Okay? I want it nice. Even the head, we are going to do the head just like when you boil it same way. You understand? Mash him up same way, put in it same way, my people. Just the same way. Nothing not change. You want thing change? This is grill roasted mackerel, my people. See? All them beautiful flavor they are going on it. You understand? All of them beautiful flavor here are going on it. See? That's what we are talking about. So all the bone pack up one side. And we get rid of the bone them. And get in the nice beautiful fish them, my people. Fish them full of flesh them. Nice. Very much so. See it? Very much so, my people. So nice. Watch your people. When I go nice. So what we are going to do? Get rid of them bone, my people. Get out them bone out of the plate. We don't need the bone them. People, all them ingredients here, I'm going to pot. Tell you about them grilled carrot here. Now give it a nice flavor with the ackee. The people. Trust me. I'm already cooking on my peeps. All of these things going in the pot. See that? See them? Yeah, and them flavor them in the pot as well. See? Right now, this well cook up in my people. So, what you do with this? It's like I'm pick it up and clean out the bone. Make sure you take out what you want to take out all the bone, my people. All the bone, do your best. See, I'm going to find the next one here. You know, you're not going to take out all, 1 and 2 probably get it, but pick out as much as you can. Break down the mackerel just the same way like you cook it. See? This mackerel is much better than even the one that come in the bucket, the salt mackerel. Like. And this is the fresh caught, wild caught mackerel. I season it up and grill it. And then get it up and running in the ackee, guys. This is much healthier. Okay? So watch that one here. Straight in a pot you have work. With all them beautiful ingredients that I have in the pot, guys. See there? Mad flavor this in our people. You don't know about that one here? No, you know. See there? No, you know. From scratch. Okay? Yeah. That is what we are talking about now, my people. So right away, we are going with the ackee. Wish we did there Jamaica and have 1 ton of ackee to eat this apart. And we have a lot of fish now, my people. Yeah. Wish we did there yard where we can pick up 2 dozen ackee, you know, but we have to work for the can, you know how it go. So, eat there. That is it. The only season we are putting this on people is a little black pepper. Because we have a lot of flavor in our low season already. Okay? Alright, now my people, so it's still nice black pepper, that's how we put in it. We get a 1 stir, you know. We don't like stir ackee too much, you know. It's easy to mash up, you understand? Just get a 1 nice stir like that and you know, get him going a little bit more. And then you know where we are. Finish cook, my people, so we can go and cook up a little bit more. And then you know we are going to eat some food. Now stay tuned, watch that one, my people. That one are the best thing you ever see. Okay? This is grilled wild caught mackerel with ackee, my people. Cook up in some Jamaican style, Str8yaad style, okay? Stay tuned, watch that one here. And try it at home, guys. Remember, try this one, you'll never regret. You're gonna do it just the same way all the time. Because it's a better result, okay? Trust me, people. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Check we out over there. We have a whole heap of mad content going on, people. Real good food over here, okay? Like this one. We could have dropped some coconut milk in it also, but right now we have a straight. We don't have to tell you them type of style yet. We're showing you what I'm going, guys. So stay tuned, watch what I'm going. One love, Str8yaad TV. Okay, my people, see it now. We have come to the end of this beautiful pot, guys, with this grill. Nice, fresh caught mackerel that we look about today, guys. So we have to show you how to prepare it and everything, step by step. So now we have come to the end, my people. Check it out. Look at it, my people. This is grill wild caught fresh mackerel, guys, with ackee. Cook up with ackee. Okay. If you never see this one, go and watch the video, guys, and you will see how it's done. Step by step. Okay. More healthy, more better. Everything up to date. Well nice, my people. Full of flavor. You guys need to try it at home and drop it in the comments and tell me how it's tastes, my people, because I know it's very delicious and nice. Because I tried it already. And I know it's mad because I cook it all the time. So right now, people, check it out. Guys, this is what? Wild caught mackerel, guys. See that? With some nice ackee cook up together, guys. So look. Guys, you need to try this one at home and tell me what I'm going, okay? Don't forget, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out this recipe, guys, and tell me if you love it, because I know you're gonna love it, okay? One Str8yaad TV in the kitchen all the time, cooking up a storm. One love, guys. We out.